watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or useful or entertaining, hit that like button and drop a comment down below. And if you'd like to find out when new content is uploaded, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell. It all helps the channel grow, helps with the YouTube algorithm, and your help is greatly appreciated with that. And finally, if you'd like to support the channel's efforts even more to grow, getting new equipment, bringing you even more interesting content, then consider becoming a Ko-fi supporter. The link to our Ko-fi page is down below. That's it for today. So wherever you're at, have a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, night. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video.